Warm welcome in our YouTube channel. Today's discussion agenda is network audit. So what is network audit? So network audit is a process through which we will try to figure out the gap in our enterprise landscape. So what all elements we have in your enterprise landscape? We have networking, we have computing, we have security, and definitely we have applications. That means what? We have certain kind of connectivity. So let it be internet, let it be MPLS, let it be SD-WAN. It is getting terminated to one of the devices, say router, load balancer, firewall, UTM. From that it goes to your switches, layer 3 switches, layer 2 switches, and it is getting connected through fiber or Cat5, Cat6 kind of connectivity. There are wireless connectivity. On top of that we have servers, storage, we have laptop, desktops, we have IP cameras, biometric devices, we have different kind of OSs like Linux, Windows, Mac, and if it is kind of mobile devices, then definitely Android. So this entire landscape you can very well understand it is heterogeneous. So different kind of devices, different kind of manufacturer, different kind of make, model, functions and features. So this landscape will not give us best result unless these devices are configured as per its capacity, its intelligence. So configuration, customization of the device as per my business need, my business objective, is close synchronization between all the devices in heterogeneous landscape. This can only give us desired result. So network audit kind of services will help us to reveal our present situation. What are our pain points? What are the gaps? What are the possible problem areas? How we can overcome that and surge ahead. But generally the approach is network audits sometimes is done by the force of compliance. Sometimes is a kind of reactive mode. Some certain problem has occurred. Some server is not functioning. Some files got encrypted. So then in a reactive approach we try to go for network audits. Otherwise, general tendency, general practices, if something is, suppose my server is running slow, I'll try to add more resources. I have undergone some ransomware attacks, I'll try to deploy new tools, different softwares, hardwares, technology. Any tools, any technology, any services, any product, everything is good. But it gives me result only when it fits into my requirement. So network audit is the kind of service which will give you your present standing, your present posture, your as-is analysis, and from that, what are the gaps with the certain best practices benchmarking, with the remediation steps, and have the blueprinting with the future roadmap. So you might say, so fair enough, so I have my team, I have certain kind of tools, I'll conduct the network audit myself, or rather we keep on conducting network audits myself. So my network is obviously secured, everything is fine. That's not the case. So assume I am a doctor and I have my kids. So if the kids are not well, he or she is ill, I'll not go and treat him or her. I'll go to a third party doctor to treat him or her. Same happens to our enterprise network. The moment I have built my network, my infrastructure, my landscape, I am the most capable person. I know everything because it's my baby. I have designed, I have deployed, I am managing day by day entire landscape. But moment it comes to a fault finding, so I will be, since I am biased, I am inclined. So very small thing I might overlook. That's why it's always important to conduct network audit by third-party experts so that they can analyze your infrastructure neutrally. So they will analyze, they will critically supervise all possible angles so that they can come out, reveal possible gaps and create certain kind of roadmap. So let us take network audit, gap analysis extremely seriously. Let us not conduct this due to certain regulators, certain authorities has told us, so let us not take it as a compliance. If we can't do a network audit, it will reveal my present standing, help us to consolidate, optimize, give us proper understanding what exactly we need to have, what product, what tools, what technologies. So my buying power will be in my hand. I can understand myself what exactly is my need so that I can spend to right set of tools and technologies, and IT will be really an enabler for my enterprise business. Thank you. Stay tuned to our channel. We will keep on discussing with various topics which are the burning issues in our day-to-day enterprise landscape. Thank you.